Hey there, Natural Born Vitalist. Sage Peterson here with Natural Born Vitality, bringing you minimalist workouts that you can do anywhere, and also tips and practices to increase your vitality and boost your performance mentally, physically, everything. All right, so what I want to share with you today is about the inner warrior and bringing it out. I'm going to give you 4 strategies to do that, especially in times like now with the coronavirus and financial instability and all the other things that are building up that create stress and doubt and fear and all those things. And what we're going to do instead is we're going to build confidence, we're going to build trust, and we're going to build our own vitality in order to deal with all those things and become more adaptable. So first of all, warrior, that is not just a physical thing. It does not just have to do with fighting. It really has to do with our mindset. How do we see life? How do we see challenges? How do we see change? And ultimately, if we can become friends with change, we're going to do well and we will adapt and evolve. And that's really what life is. That's survival of the fittest. It's adapting and evolving. So let's get into strategies. Strategy number 1 is notice when you're feeling uncomfortable and build friendship with it. So instead of clamming up with discomfort and getting, stiff and all that, actually realize you're uncomfortable and hey, this is an opportunity for growth. Smile, open up your body, stand tall, and consistently smile in the face of discomfort in order to change your subconscious programming around it. We're no longer going to see discomfort as bad. We're going to see it as growth and possibility. Number 2, connect to nature. Nature is the ultimate teacher of evolving, of adaptability, of overcoming, adapting, overcoming, and improvising. So by spending more time in nature, you're literally rewilding yourself. And there's different degrees to which you can spend time in nature, but every little bit helps. So go for walks, get barefoot, get to the river, go in the river, touch trees, climb trees, listen to the birds. Even if you're in the city, that little weed that's coming up through the sidewalk, that's adaptability. That is the nature building and coming forth and overcoming. Speaking of which, some little bug there. Okay, number 3 is notice your dialogue, especially the disempowering dialogue, and flip it on its head. So if it's something like, I can't do this and I'm not capable, you need to practice saying, okay, I got this, I'm capable, and building up not only the vocabulary around that, but also what it feels like to be that way, and notice and bring up in your memory those other times in your life that you were capable and that you were confident. Okay, we're gonna build the habit of positivity. And last but not least, number 4 strategy is build your vitality through movement and through martial arts. Now, I recommend primal movement, natural movement, calisthenics, because especially it's clear in today's day with coronavirus and everything, there is no I don't feel lost because I can't go to a gym. I am completely at home and I can get a great workout everywhere I go, as you'll see on my other YouTubes and videos. And I empower you to do the same, just like our ancestors did. Hunter-gatherer type movement. They were strong and powerful, and so are you. So you can do this. Get out, and if you need ideas, check out my website, naturalbornvitality.com, and my Facebook and Instagram, Natural Born Vitality, and there'll be ideas there. And hey, give me a message if you have questions. I'm happy to help you out. Awesome. It was great to have you all. Thank you for checking this video out, and don't forget to hit the like, the share, and the subscribe. Help me build my business, and I'm going to help you build your vitality. All right. Thank you all, and we will see you soon.